Hi guys and welcome back. I'm really excited to partner for today's video with iHerb to show you a little beauty haul slash review little video with the products that I picked from iHerb, and I'm really excited to collaborate with them again because they're one of my favorite companies. I love what they carry on the website. They have more than 30,000 natural products, food, beauty, K-beauty, so lots of good stuff, and I just love the shopping experience. I love the shipping, it's super fast. Here in the UK I always get my order with DHL, and it's very affordable and it's super fast. It arrives in like 3 days. Of course they have lots of other shipping options, and they do ship to more than 150 countries, so basically everywhere. And I love their customer service. It's available 24/7 and it's available in 10 different languages. And also they mentioned that the orders get shipped from a climate controlled distribution center, so that, you know, kind of ensures the quality and that everything is on top, fresh, ready to go, ready to come to you. I will list everything in the description box, so definitely check that out. And now let's get started with the haul. I picked some Korean beauty items as well as some other brands from iHerb that I was interested in, that I've never tried before. And the first brand I would like to talk about is the Radiant Soul, and it's quite, I would say it's quite affordable, especially now because iHerb has some really good discounts on their products because they're new. So I got this balancing charcoal cleansing oil. It was around $9, which is super great. Very affordable, especially because it's 145 ml, so that's a lot. It's basically a cleansing oil infused with charcoal, and I thought this is a brilliant idea because charcoal is really great as a detoxifier for the skin and will kind of, you know, extract everything, all the dirt from the skin. It's made in Korea and the ingredients so far look great. It also has Centella asiatica, which I was really happy to see. So far I used it a couple of times and so far it works actually really great. I actually got 2 of these because I love me a cleansing oil, and I kind of, you know, after looking at the ingredients and the reviews, I kind of knew that this will work for me, so super happy that I have 2, and yeah, I need it all the time to remove all my makeup. I also got some masks from them because, you know, I love me some Korean beauty masks, and also the price was amazing on this. As I said, iHerb has some really great prices for these, and especially because they're new to the store. So I got packs with the brightening sheet masks and also the balancing charcoal masks. So this is kind of from the same line as the cleansing oil, so I'm super excited to use this. So the brightening sheet mask is for dullness and uneven skin tone, which I definitely have and I always need this. And the balancing one is for combination on oily skin, congestion, blemish prone skin. So again, something that me and my boyfriend will definitely enjoy using. These both are made in Taiwan, and Taiwan has really good technology when it comes to face masks, especially for the sheet itself. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. Haven't tried them yet, but we report back, of course. Also, I was curious about this brand. This is called Idealove, and they do have lots of hydrogel eye patches, and I love hydrogel eye patch because they do work not for a very long period of time, but for example for that day in which you're using them in the morning or maybe before going out, they will make your skin underneath the eyes super smooth and kind of not really wrinkle free, but will just smooth a bit more all the fine lines that you may have. This is why my mom also loves a hydrogel eye patch all the time. She like comes to me and, Dana, do you have some more eye patches, because I need some. This comes in the standard, you know, eye patch container. It has a spatula, which is super nice, and they're filled with lotion, so that's really good. These have like a gold reflex in them, so I love this. They also look, you know, really nice as well. And these are called the gold hydrogel eye patches. Again, I looked at the ingredients. Everything looks really nice. Before I like go out or in the morning, if I have, you know, really horrible eye bags and really dry skin, these really make a difference. So another cool thing that I wanted to try for a long time is a probiotic and collagen drink. This is Radiant Beauty and has like a strawberry flavor. Haven't tried a collagen drink before, but the fact that this has probiotics also makes it super nice. And it's non-GMO, gluten-free, has no added sugar in it, no artificial colors or flavors, and you just kind of add 2 tablespoons to a glass of water and you kind of drink it. And I wanted to try a collagen drink because I am getting older. I will be 28 in like a month, so I need some support. I just want to make the quality of my life, of my body, better. And I think this kind of products just help with that. So I will try it and I will report back. So far, like the ingredients and the fact that it has all those non-GMO, free of artificial flavor and colors, no added sugar, kind of makes it perfect for me. So this is a strawberry and lemonade flavor, by the way. And lastly, I have 2 products from Prescript Skin. So I have the Glycolic Peel 5% and I have the Glycolic Toner. So this is basically like a chemical exfoliant. You leave it on for 10-20 minutes. Does the job. It's quite gentle because I think it has only 5%, but still effective. And if you have a bit more of a sensitive kind of skin, or you also use some other products, some other exfoliants, this will be really nice for you. I also like the ingredients because the list, it's very simple but contains everything that you need for a good glycolic peel, and they say that it can be used 1 or 2 times per week, as you know, like other glycolic peels. I also like the price of this one, and the bottle is actually glass, so that's super cool. Glycolic toner, as the name suggests, this is just a really basic glycolic acid toner, and the fact that it has not only the glycolic acid but also some other extracts like the moringa seed oil, or for example the chamomile extract, camellia extract, cucumber extract, makes it a bit more gentle. And I also appreciate the size of this because it has 177 ml, so you know, that's a good amount for a toner. So a good basic product. I feel like this line is just like that, a good basic product line. So that was it for the haul. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Let me know if you tried any of the products, and definitely check the description box for more info, and let me know if you tried this, because I think I'm most excited about this product, like to try it. So that was it. Have a lovely day.